Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at Revit structure again, and we're going to look at foundations, beams, floors in this project. So here I have a grid, and this is my entry level here, and this is an elevation, our north elevation. So what I want to do here, first of all, I want to create columns here. So I would go into, let's just tab these views for now. Okay, so I'm in my entry level, and what I want to do is I want to go get some columns. So we go to Structure tab, and we'll select column here. And we already have, we want to use here is the 18 by 24. Okay, so I'm going to place these columns. This one there. As you notice, they are placing the annotations along with us. That's what we want. Just see if I can lay these out like I got them laid out in this drawing I'm looking at. It's 4 and 5. Yeah. So we get these columns laid out here. We're going to have one down here on D. And one down here at G. Okay, one going here. Okay, so I think I'm just laying these out. I'm looking at something here. So we got one here at 8. I'm gonna go with this first one. Yeah, got 2 lines there. We got another one going right there. All these are going to be 18 by 24. And I'm going to place one here, here. So these will be all our columns for this exercise. Put that one right there as well. You need one here. Okay. So there's all our columns that we're going to use in this project. No, we need a few more. Let's see. There's one here at F and 4. Yep. Oh, wow. We got a few here we left out. I'm going to go here at D. We got D4 here. Yep. And we get another one. 5. Yep. We got one on 6. Yep. Okay. So there's our columns. Now the next thing we'll need to do, we'll need to add our structural wall here. Let's see. So do we get them all in? So I'm gonna cancel that. Yep. All right, now on the same level here, I'm gonna go and add walls, and I want the we're gonna go to 10-inch concrete. So here we're gonna go to Structure tab, and then we're gonna select the concrete wall here, the structural wall, and here we got a 10-inch exterior. So I want to take this wall and just at the center points, take this around each column here, as you can see I'm doing. Just bring that right on around. Here it's important that you get the center points here, this midpoint selection, and then this comes down to here. So these are our walls. They have to be structural walls. Let me see. Nope, there's nothing there. This one's gonna come here. And we'll take another wall going this direction. So I'm gonna lay these out. Pretty good time here, a wall there. So there's our wall coming into place here. Sorry about that. Okay, and then we'll come here. Just down to there. Bring this here. Now here we're going to take this way, and we're going to just turn that wall like that. So, okay. So we're getting our walls in now. Let's go and look at this elevation view, what we got here. So there's our elevation, as you can see. We've got our walls, and then we've got our columns. So we got a little issue going on there, and I'll fix that shortly. But let's go back into this level and make sure we get all of our columns in. So I'm going to add a wall here. Okay, I'm going to do this in a couple of parts, I think. And then one here. Come to this point and come down to here. Make sure you hit the center, crosshairs. Uh-oh, where is it? You might be a little off axis here. Sorry guys, my bad. Okay, I'm gonna go there. Oh, I'm gonna cancel that, and I'm gonna do it this way because we want it right. We want that center point to always show up on the columns. So that there, here we go from here to here, the midpoint. Okay, so that's how you do those walls. So we're getting the walls in here. Okay, so those are the walls and columns for this exercise. Now, let's see what this looks like in our 3D view. Okay, so now we have to fix these walls because they should be, I should have did them a little differently. So I'm going to go here into my, just grab these guys. I'm going to tab all these views. And I'm going to grab these as well. And then I'm going to make this adjustment right over here. So I want my say my top constraint. So what I did, I should have did lens. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go, my top constraint is going to be entry as its base now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change that top constraint here to entry. My base constraint is going to be foundation level. And there we go. So now I'm going to go and add these other walls here with these columns. Should have had something going on in here as well. So let me go back to my entry level here. And yeah, we need columns, walls here. So what I'll do is I'm going to go this time, I'm going to place this wall. But this time I'm going to use my base constraint as foundation level. And my upper constraint is entry. So I can just draw these right in here like so. But hey guys, I just wanted to get you started on this. This is our next project. So we've got our beams and our foundations going here. Okay, now let's see, there. Okay, now the next thing we need to have is our footings, our pad footings under here and everything for the structure. So, but now for now, I'm gonna leave it there. We've got our columns and our walls, our foundation walls in this video. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I got somebody trying to reach out to me, so I'll be back in the next video. But this is where we're going, how we're going here. We've got our, okay, there's another one. I have to, we can just do this. I can do, I think I can do this. Modify match that wall and that wall. Oh, we can't do that. Okay, so I'll just grab these two guys. I thought I had did that when I placed these earlier, but I guess I didn't. Get out of here. Control. Get these two walls, and I want to take these down to my base constraint is going to be foundation level. My top constraint will be entry here. And there we go. So that's our walls and everything. Next video I'm going to do, I can do them now, I guess. Isolated footings. So basically what will happen here is we want to go and put in our pad footings now. We can go ahead and do that right quickly. So I'm going to go back to this entry level or foundation level here. And here we want to go with structure again, and we want to go isolated. So here I'm going to have a pad footing here, and I'm going to pick that up in the next video. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll move on with this guy in the next video, showing you how to continue this with say our pad footings. Here we've got our columns here, and these are our foundation, our structural walls. They have to be structural because, as you can see, they can take reinforcement and everything like that. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me make videos like this all the time. So I'm going to clean this up, and we'll come back and do our pad footings in the next video. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you next video. Bye, and y'all be safe. Please be safe.